So children, look at the patterns. What are patterns? Patterns are created when figures, shapes, objects, etc. are arranged in a particular order and repeated over and over again. Now look at the designs here. Squares. You can see some black squares and light green squares. They are repeated, isn't it? In a particular order. Look at these straight lines. They are repeated in straight lines. Okay. Now look at the squares here and some dark and light colored lines. Okay. On the pink squares, some dark lines, dark pink lines are repeated, isn't it? This is the pattern here. Some designs are being repeated. You observe that, okay? And what is repeated here? This design is repeated, isn't it? One is facing down and one is facing up. Okay, look at this. Like, yeah. And look at this design. This is repeated. These designs are facing this side and these designs are facing this side, isn't it? Look at the garland here. Yeah, when you take a garland of flowers, you can see that the garland is being created with a repeated order of pattern. They will put white flower, then orange flower. Look at this. Here they have put one red flower here and then two yellow flower, again red flower, two yellow flower, red flower, two yellow flower, like that, isn't it? So that order will not change, okay, in patterns. Okay, now let us look at the next. Here we have a pattern. What is a pattern that you observe here? Yeah, first this is a, um, a string in which some shapes are, yeah, stringed. Let us see what are the shapes here. Yes, this is a rectangle, a circle, and a triangle. Okay. Now, again, the same thing in the same order is repeated. Look at this: rectangle, circle, triangle. Check again: rectangle, circle, triangle. Okay, these three things are repeated. Now let us look at the next figure. Yeah, can you make out what is being repeated? Just take a look at this. Do you see something is repeated? What is being repeated? The dots, isn't it? And how are these dots being repeated? Look at this. In this rectangle, we have two circles. Okay. And look at this rectangle, second rectangle, we have three circles. In this rectangle, for third one, we have four circles. And the fourth one, we have five circles, isn't it? Count if you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If there is another square, how many squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if there is a fifth square, how many circles will be there inside that? Children, tell me. Huh? See, this is 2, 3, 4, 5 circles. Now, next square, rectangle will be having how many circles? 2, 3, 4, 5. Repeat. Six circles will be there, isn't it? So this is the pattern being continued here. Look at this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 circles, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Understood? Now next. Yeah, after 6, 7. See, this square is having 7 circle, 8 circle, 9 circle, like that. Okay, that pattern, this pattern of dots is increasing by one number, isn't it? That is what the pattern you see here in this rectangles. Now next design we will see. So children, look at the first line here. How are the pattern being repeated in this? We have squares here, isn't it? Red square, again red square, green square. So Which square should be here? Which colored square should be here, children? Yes, it should be red here, isn't it? So it is alternatively repeating. The colors are alternatively repeating. Okay. Next, look at the second line. Blue, pink, yellow. Okay. Cir Two circles and one rectangle. Blue, pink, yellow. So what should be here? Blue. Yes, this circle should be colored blue, pink, yes, yellow. Understood? Yeah. Okay. That is being repeated here. Okay. Now, please look here. Okay, this line. This is the line. Something is blocking here. Okay. Purple triangle. Again, purple triangle. Two stars, yellow stars. Two purple triangle. Here, which color should be repeated, children? Two yellow stars should be repeated. Understood? Look at this. Two yellow stars. So here you should color two yellow stars, isn't it? Okay. Yes. You see here, two yellow stars should be repeated. Now, let us look at the next picture. One ice cream. Look at this line. One ice cream upwards, this ice cream downwards, again upwards. That means, how is it being repeated? One up, one down, isn't it? And look at this, one lollipop facing upwards on the right side, upwards and the right side. So next should be, oh, they are asking like this. After this, you have to choose from these both. Okay. So upwards, right side, upwards. Next one is this one, isn't it? We have to circle this one, right side one. Okay. This is wrong. This is wrong. Okay. Next. Leaf, flower, leaf. Next design should come as, yes, flower. Understood? Hmm. Let us look at this. Apple, banana, apple, banana. Here, which one should come first? Apple, isn't it? Here, banana. Okay. Pencil, eraser, pencil, eraser. Next is eraser or pencil? Yes, it is pencil. First pencil should come, then eraser should come. Okay. Bat, ball, bat, ball. Here, which picture should come next? Bat, then ball. Understood? Okay, that's all. Now we will look at the textbook exercises.